Say hello correctly in Chinese.
你好，
你好 Hello.
您好，
你好 Greetings.
你们好，
你们好 Hi you guys.
大家好。
大家好 Hello everyone. To be brief, Ni hao is a common greeting used in most situations, especially among friends or peers. Ni hao is more formal and respectful, suitable for addressing elders, superiors, or strangers. Ni men hao is used to greet multiple people, fitting for both formal and informal contexts, like in classrooms or group discussions. Lastly, Dajia hao is casual and often used when addressing a larger audience, such as at speeches or social gatherings, creating a friendly atmosphere. The choice of greeting depends on the context and your relationship with the person or group. That's all this time. Thank you and see you.